click on any element, like title, and then click on plus button or icon to add a button. After adding a button, click on the button and hover over two dots, and then choose a button design option. A button management panel will appear. Choose the button color option from the available options, and change the background color and text color as per your requirement. You can add any colors of your choice. Choose Section Setting, and select Pro. With VINTCER Pro settings, you have full controls of margins and spacing of any element. You have full controls over text and font styling. You can change the font spacing, font style, color, text size, and alignment, and much more.